Claire, what's Grandma Z gonna send you in the mail?
Where's Claire sitting?
Where's Claire sitting? On Elmo. Claire, what did Mommy tell you that Grandma Z is sending? She gonna send you a brand new... A brand new what? What did Mommy tell you that Grandma Z's sending that's just like Haley's? A brand new car! Remember? What's Grandma Z gonna send you in the mail? Wow! When are you gonna see Grandma Z? In December, that's right. Can you tell Grandma Z I love you?
Mommy,
In December. What did you tell me earlier about what are you gonna do with the Patsy? Did you say you're gonna put a Patsy in Grandma Z's mouth? Maybe. Well, that would be very, very nice. Say, I love you, Grandma Z.
Mommy?
Yes?
She says
in December. Right, okay, yeah. We'll see her in December. That's pretty soon, right? Okay. Say bye-bye to the camera.
Mommy?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Get it?